Hey, it's time for another cooking video. Today I'm cooking fudge cupcakes from the book, Fudge Cupcake Murder. Hopefully I will cook it without anybody dying. First is the chocolate. You mix 4 ounces of baking chocolate with a 1/4 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of raspberry syrup. We're going to put that in the microwave for a minute. Okay, so the chocolate has kind of melted here. What we're going to do is stir it, then put it in the microwave for another minute, and then we're just going to let it cool while the chocolate finishes melting. Okay, here's the chocolate. It sort of looks like a chocolate volcano erupted in the bowl. Let's move on to the next thing. So this is 1 2/3 cup of flour with 1½ teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We're just making it for now and putting it aside. So we've got 1½ cups of sugar here. Put in the butter. My assistant is putting in the butter. And now we're just going to mix it until it's all mixed. I don't think that was room temperature butter. Yeah, that was not. Oh, jeez. So next we put in 3 eggs. You want to mix it a little bit after each egg just to make sure everything is all nice and mixy. Okay, so then we're going to put in some milk. So about it's a 1/3 cup of milk, so you want to put in about 1/3 of that. And then the recipe, the stuff that we put aside earlier, we're going to dump in about 1/3 of that, and we're going to mix it. Whoa, okay, flour's flying everywhere. Okay, looks good. It looks like it's mixed, so we put in 1/3 of this. Doesn't have to be even, which is good news for me, because I'm not being very careful here. We're going to mix some more. Beautiful. And then now I'm going to mix in the rest of the milk and the flour mixture. Oh, I got it everywhere. Here, let me fix that mess. Now we're going to check the chocolate. Looks like it finished melting. Oh boy. So now we mix the fudge with the rest of the batter. Just dump it all in, and we're going to stir thoroughly, and then we just let it sit for about 5 minutes before mixing it one more time. It has changed color. Oh my gosh, look, it looks beautiful now. The final step should be no surprise. We're just going to pour the batter into cupcake tins. The recipe calls for 18 cupcakes. Then we put it inside the oven. We're going to cook it at 350 for 20 minutes. So these are what the finished cupcakes look like. They're pretty good. Mine was a little dry. My assistant's cupcake was perfect. The recipe called for like some sort of chocolate frosting, but I didn't have the ingredients for that. So just pretend I put chocolate frosting on these cupcakes.
Frosting. Now it's got frosting.
Awesome.
Uh-huh.